our Azure DevOps course. Today we are going to start by understanding what DevOps is, why it's so important, and how it can transform your software development process. So let's start. To kick things off, let's talk about what DevOps really means. DevOps is a combination of development and operations practices aimed at shortening the software development lifecycle. Okay, the goal here is to bring development and operations teams closer together, breaking down traditional silos. So, first is what is DevOps? At its core, DevOps is about enhancing collaboration between development and operation teams by integrating and automatic processes. Teams can deliver software faster and more reliably. This collaboration and automation are key to achieving the speed that modern software deployment demands. Next is why DevOps. So why should we care about DevOps? Well, DevOps addresses the challenges of traditional software deployment models, which often involves long cycles and isolated teams. DevOps promotes continuous delivery and deployment, ensuring a faster time to market by integrating tools, pro- processes, and teams. DevOps creates a seamless workflow that focuses on continuous integration and continuous delivery. In summary, DevOps is all about bridging the gap between the development and operation for faster, more and reliable software delivery. It empathizes automation, collaboration, and continuous process. These elements are crucial in today's fast-paced software environment where time to market and reliably and everything. So thank you for joining me in this industry video on understanding DevOps. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the key practices and principles that makes DevOps so effective. So stay tuned.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.